Hello again!
Hello!
As promised, we're back again with this week's update of the channel.
If you're an engineer or an architect and want to learn how to use AutoCAD, you are in luck.
Or if you want to earn the ICDL CAD certification,
Yes, indeed. The syllabus for the ICDL CAD certification is fully covered also.
I would love to learn how to use AutoCAD so that I can draw a blueprint of my house to try out different furniture placements.
Yep, even though that sounds a lot easier than having to move real furniture around the house, AutoCAD is a software aimed at professionals with a rather steep learning curve.
But our how-to videos will help ease up that curve.
Definitely. There are videos on editing drawings with objects.
Oh, technical terms alert. Bear with us since there will be quite a few.
Yep, there will be. There are videos on layers and on modifying raster data.
Videos on how to create, edit and print two-dimensional architectural or engineering drawings.
You will learn how to create objects and elements.
There are videos on how to add measurements in an object and then use them to calculate other measurements like an area of a room in an architectural design.
AutoCAD features and the reach of its functionality are enormous.
Our videos will cover all the AutoCAD skills required in the ICDL 2D CAD certification.
So these videos only cover the two-dimensional aspect of AutoCAD.
But videos on the 3D features of AutoCAD will be coming soon.
So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of all our videos as they are released.
See you on the next video. Bye!
See you, bye!